Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cancel your subscription of your OkCupid account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, search for OkCupid. From the search results, navigate to its official website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to cancel your subscription, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. You can see the settings icon over here. Tap on it. Now at the top, select the subscriptions tab. Right now, I haven't subscribed for the OkCupid premium account, so it is not showing up here. If you have bought the subscription of OkCupid premium account, it'll show up here and you'll see the options to cancel your subscriptions too. So that's it. That's a very easy process to cancel your OkCupid account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.